Yo, alright, today is March 7th, 2025, and looks like we are coming into some higher time frame RSIs on the daily. You can see that ES, NQ, and VIX are showing RSI signs. ES did start to show some earlier yesterday. It kind of faded away, but NQ has it for sure. VIX has it for sure. So these are the RSI's tops on a daily. So we're probably starting to reach a high, or we're probably starting to reach a high, or we're going to continue going a high on VIX. Probably going to reach a low on ES and NQ. Maybe we'll continue lower for some time before price decides to shift directions. You can see this is a very long weekly candle on all three. Oh, I got an absorption candle on the weekly right here. Let's zoom out. Let's see if we have anything similar to that. Is this the weekly on? Damn. Yeah, so we have an absorption on. What the bananas? I did not see that. Alright. Alright, so that absorption is just not even valid anymore. Or that just struck through it. Alright. So yeah, so we have that weekly, we have that RSIs being built. So we may be hitting it at the top reversal, and if we break above this, we're going to just continue a little higher before we get there. So I need to figure out where ES and NQ might decide to just crash through, because I really don't have any true levels really anymore for ES and NQ at the lows here. Price is just really just ripping through everything that I've kind of had, and these are levels I created before really sticking to the system that I have now, a little bit more consistent. So I may have to go back in time from November 5th and just look for some levels. So I'm gonna do my quick levels up front, and then I'm gonna go back in time. So we do know that we're approaching some RSIs, so we could probably look for a potential reversal anytime soon, or reversal happening. I don't see any absorption candles, so maybe we won't have any time soon, but let's see if there's any absorption on lower time frames. All right, so we do have some absorption here, so maybe we are set to probably reverse. We have that very good absorption on all three right here. This is an absorption candle, so maybe we're setting up. I'm going to mark them. So maybe we'll see a reversal today starting. Maybe we'll see a reversal next week, because see, we have an absorption candle and it reversed. All right, got another one here. So probably we're setting up for a reversal for the market. All right, so let's just see how price is behaving. This closed at 57621. So up here was buying, so it was a green candle, not a red one. That one probably closed down here. Yeah, 2246. They closed up here, and so it's a, oh, this is a red candle. No, it's a green candle. So we would want to see some selling volume, not buying volume. So this is not really what we want to see. And here we have buying volume, which is good. So maybe we'll go a little lower. Maybe we'll hold this area, the 2000s, and move up. Don't really have much here, maybe 5700. So all right, let's go to 4 hours in. Let's go to the 4 minutes in. Let's go here. All right, so we got felt buy bouncing, not really much here. We got this strong selling right here. This is going to be important. So we're gonna mark this bad boy. We haven't cleared this one yet. We barely touched it. So this here is probably gonna be something that nerfs price for a while. This 1 hour, which is this candle right here, which I don't see anything in this candle, but I'm gonna mark it as I'll look for something inside of it. Maybe we'll find something. Getting some volume here. Alright, let's go to our 30-minute, and then we're gonna start separating ourselves from these charts, putting the VIX across. So let's see here. So this is where we had that selling. Alright, this absorption still stands, as well as whatever was there. I kind of missed capitalizing on this trade because I was waiting for something significant on the 5-minute, but the 1-minute is what gave it to us instead. Alright, I don't see anything on any of the charts. These are trying to make absorption candles. Let's zoom in a little bit more. Let's look for if any RSIs are sticking out. Alright, so we have an RSI area here. So I'm going to mark this one. Alright, so we're going to mark this one. Alright, they're all given an RSI bottom and then RSI top. So this might actually hold price. So I have a selling potential here, buying potential here. So this is pretty much our range, which is about from top to bottom 100 points, right? And then for NQ is probably 1,000 something, 1,100. I don't know, just speculating. 500. Okay, not as bad as I thought. Okay, we got that. Okay, let's go to our 15-minute, and then we're going to separate this. And here's a clock, just in case I did not mention I do have it up. We're going to do all this time. We're at the 15-minute. Alright, so let's zoom out. This is no good. Here I can go. I'm going to zoom out to see what's more going on. Okay. So that absorption area was spot on, good for us. This is probably going to be another one that's good. Alright, I got selling here. That wants to stand out inside of that RSI candle. No, outside of that RSI candle. There's no volume here. But this candle here has been a factor as far as price being interested. So maybe from there, let's see how that works out. 2 away. So from here. Alright. So maybe we'll mark 42. That is a huge 21 points. Maybe we'll mark that. Let's go down to the 5-minute and see if there's anything that I can help us make sense of that. Nothing. Zilch. Nada. This one has a red selling volume here, absorption right there. And let's go to the 1-minute. Okay, NQ, are you done? All right. Hmm. Well, this is gonna be interesting. All right, let's go back to the 15. I knew I drew a circle there for something. Can't be that. Let's go to the 30 minute. Can't be that. Let's go to the 5 minute. Maybe it's that. All right, so we have a an end of day volume. All right, so let's mark that one. Okay. All right, so kind of been used. I think that's our news that did that. Boom, bounced. All right, all three of them bounced from that area very nicely. Um, Twice. So maybe it'll hold price. Maybe it won't. I don't know. Um, let's go to 1 minute. Volume. This kind of right here is buy. Not really the largest volume, but we do have absorption in that area, so I'll mark it nonetheless. For VIX, it's close to the largest volume. It actually is the largest volume, but it doesn't show that absorption, and it's actually a little late. Maybe there's something there I don't see. Let's add the other Anna volume there. Let's see if it stands out. Yeah, that one stands out, so it is that one down there. Alright. Alright, so let's zoom out. Okay, let's go back to the 15 where we saw our thing. Alright, which is down here. I'm gonna mark this area. I'm gonna mark it from here to here. I'm probably gonna get rid of that the high volume area. I'm gonna mark it from the RSIs. So this can go now. We're done with this area, and then we're gonna just mark this because this is just the area that we're working with. All of this can go. Don't need them anymore. And same thing with the market. It's not the RSI, but this is kind of where the RSI was. And then we'll do the same thing with VIX. All these things can go, even the top part. I'll bring this out so we can see it. All of this can go. That can go. This can go. This can go. And then we're gonna mark it from here to here. Alright, this can go. Yesterday's high. I didn't do highs for VIX. And low. Low is this right here. So it's kind of what we're working with, right? So we'll see if price is actually going to hold that. If we go back to the 4 hour, we'll see that, you know, it is an absorption area. It is an absorption area, so you know, if price breaks below it, I don't have anything. Like I said, I'm gonna go to the November time. We are 15 minutes in, so I'm gonna do a little quicker. So let me do all of this stuff here. I'll do earnings. We did have news at 8:30, non-farm payroll. I thought it was gonna be a major move, but looked like price has been majorly moving. That even this 8:30 thing is nerfed, right? This is the 8:30 news. So I'll mark the top of it, NFP, non-farm payroll. FP, and I'll do it on VIX, but so it'll be like a level that when price breaks through it, we'll use it as support. Alright, price breaks up, we'll like here and continue on to here. This is not much as big as NQs, but it's still good enough. Alright, this level starts to look wishy-washy. Let's go to settlement price, and then we'll be done with that. We have Powell speaking at 12:30, and we have Trump speaking at 3 o'clock. Trump has been actively speaking like almost every single day. Like almost every single day. Yep. Alright, so let's do settlement prices. And then we're going to jump over to settlement prices are ridiculous. Jump over to November, whatever I had said. It's like the beginning of November or something like that. I want to be done with this. Let's go to daily real quickly and zoom out and see that we are around November 5th. So let's just do that. Hit on demand, and then it's gonna just go to November 5th. Let's do 8th. I'm gonna pause that. Alright, so we know that price is somewhere around here. Let's go to the other computer to see. It didn't pop up my charts, my thinkorswim. I'm going to use trading. Oh, just use my currently it's 5750. I just moved that, so I'll mark this here. 5750.25. This is all I really need. I'm not going to overdo it. Let's do that. Let's make it thick like this. I could just see it on the left side. No number. Boom. Right. That's what I need. Extend left. And then we'll do this one here. And our last is 2012.9.50. That way we know where we're at. Boom. Let's make it 5. left, don't show on. Boom. All right, so that's where we're at. All right, so if price does fall below, I gotta look for stuff down there. So daily, I don't know where VIX is. So we have our daily. Let's go to our 4-hour. Jesus, 4-hour. Oh, got some buying here. Got a lot of buying in 4-hour. We got an RSI down here. Damn, it's a lot of activity over here. We got an absorption candle. Absorption candle. Let me zoom out. Alright, so got a lot of activity here. Sheesh. Got this one. So looking for pairs, right? So let's just do that. Let's start with all the pairs. Our closest pair is right here. Alright. The price has already cleaned this here, where that buying was. Alright, let's see. That came down here. And then, okay, give me some more. That one. We have another pair right there. Alright, another pair, which is this here, which is basically this entire thing right here. Alright. So we really are fighting to try to keep price up. Let's get this one going. Alright, so it's gonna be 4-hour buy. Alright, we're trying to move as fast as we can. I'm trying. There's a lot to intake, but I am doing a good job. Alright, do we have that on VIX? 4-hour sell, but we cleared the heck out of that. So market, then we had got this RSI down here. Alright, so for our RSI, for our RSI. Alright, and we'll box it. I think that's a good enough drop for this. So this is 100 points. I don't think we'll drop 300 points. If we do, I just shouldn't be in the market because it's a lot of information. Now I'll go back just a little bit further. Alright, so we got another RSI right here. A failed sell, but I think the RSI ones stick out more. For this one, for our RSI, same thing here. For our RSI, and then let's draw our boxes. let's go to let's do the how many days is this? This is a lot of days. Alright, from where we started. So this is 74 days, right? So if I go hit that 1 hour, I'm not gonna see this, am I? Let's see here. Yeah, see, we're already done. Alright, so we gotta add more time to that 1 hour. $80. That. Let's go to the 30. That 180. Let's go to the 15. 5 minute. And let's add those. So we got the 1 hour, 30 minute, 15 minute. Alright, I know I'm a little bit over in time. It's just a lot more than I expected. So we got the 1 hour. And we're just looking for things that are confluence. Strong buying out of this. Nothing there. A 4 hour thing there. It's right over here. Alright, so we got that 4 hour. So we got absorption right here. This one here. Then looks like we have RSI. Another RSI here, 1 hour RSI. Well, let's go a little further back. I should have a circle. There it is. Oh yeah. So a lot of good things here. Alright, so we're gonna boogie this one. So last RSI is down here. might stop at just these higher time frames. Might just stop here. I'm going to do the 30-minute and I'm going to stop because this is a lot. Alright, starting to feel a little bit overwhelmed, not gonna lie. But I do have to do this so that way I am making sure I'm getting the best setups and I'm not half-assing anything. These setups look pretty good over there. These over here, no. Alright, 30-minute and then calling it. 30-minute. I need this one. Alright. Alright, so this is good. I'm gonna keep that like that. I'm not gonna sweat that one too much. 30-minute absorption though. I am gonna mark that. Alright, that's gonna be it for me. And then I need to go make something to eat right before the market opens. They all have 30-minute abs right there, huh? Alright, so that's that. Let's go to present tense. Minutes. Alright. Let's make this daily. Okay. Alright, so yeah, we got room to play now. Okay. That's a lot. But we have room to play. Okay. So I'm happy with that. We're gonna see how price reacts around these levels. I feel like a much better things are going on. Okay. Got it clear. Okay. So that's it for me. Be back in the evening.